Yeah, so just we will give an eye level description regarding the cast and convert. Okay, suppose if you have anything like any data, like if you are getting some integer and you want to convert it into a varchar. Okay, if you are getting some integer data type and if you want to convert into the varchar, or if you are getting some varchar or some other data type and you want to convert into the date time. So you are getting date time and you want to convert into the date data type. How you are going to do? So for doing that all stuff, you can do everything by using two functions. So normally there are two things: convert. Okay, you will just give convert and target. What is the target type you want to convert? Okay, after that you will give which value you need to convert. That's it. Okay, let's see one thing. Select. If I use a select get date, what happens? I'll get the current date along with the date time, right? I'll get that. See now, but I want to see only date, not time. Then I will convert this value. How to do that? Convert, and the target type, right? What is the target type? Date, comma, and after this I will write the get date. So what happens? See, then I will get only date. It is converting the date time into date and it is showing only the date. That is the one thing. The same thing I can do it other way also. Okay, the same thing I can do by using other. Select, cast. In the cast, what we are going to do? First we are going to give the value. Here value and target type, right? So cast syntax is value as next target type. Okay, this is the syntax of the value for the cast. Now I will go here, select, cast. What is the value? Get date, right? Get date as, what is the target type? It is the date. Something I got, cast, get date. Oh, sorry. Okay, now even though I run this both. Now see, both output is same, but what is different between cast and convert? Okay, what is different between cast and convert? The difference between the cast and convert is that, see, in the convert you are giving two options, right? In the cast you are giving two you are passing two values, get date and the date, that is the value and the target type. In the convert also you are passing value and the target type. But there is one more thing. Let's say I converted the date type to varchar. I have converted the date type to varchar. So when I convert to the wait type of 30, varchar of 30. Okay. Here also I do the same thing. I will convert it to the varchar of 30. Okay. I want to I have converted into the varchar 30. So then I do what happens? The date time will be converted into the varchar. So this is the syntax. It will be converted. Okay. So we are good. Now, which format is it showing? It is showing the simple of July 17, 2014. But along with that, I want to convert into some Japanese type or some different types. Okay. So in the convert, there is one more use of the, so the cast and convert you can do the same operation, but the difference is in the convert you are passing two values. In the cast also you are passing two values. One is the target type, one is the value, and other is the target, to which target you want to convert. That is the thing. In the convert also you are doing, but convert there is one more optional character, optional value you can pass. So this is the way how it is going to work. So convert. Okay, you will be passing, by default it is two values. You can also pass one more value also, value 1, value 2, value 3 by default. Even though if you don't pass, it will not happen anything, but you need to pass two values. Definitely you need to pass two values. Cast means you will pass one value as value, other thing. So you will use only two values in the cast, but in the convert by default you can use two. There also there is one more optional value that you can pass. Okay, v1 comma v2 comma v3 comma. What is that optional value? We will be seeing. Okay, that value works only for the date times, not for all. Okay, if I want to see the date times in different, see, when I give one value, if I give 110, what will be the output? See, it is showing only this. If I give 100, then it will show different value. See, if I give 101, then it will show different thing. Okay, see. So in order to see that, just go to the Google and see. There is a concept called convert function. Okay, convert in SQL Server. Just you can write anything. Now you can see there are multiple values for the convert. Okay, see here. The third value which I am passing, third value, if you give 101, see I will get this way, month, date, year. Because I am using varchar, so it is changing. Okay, if I give date time, then it will show. See, if I give 102, then it will get year, month, date. Okay, so like that you can just play with that. I will just give 102. See, when I give 101, what is the type it is showing here to me? 101. See, by default, if I give 100, I will show, it will show this one. If I give 101, what it is showing? Month, date, year, right? If I give 102, then it will show dot. So this is for 101. If I give this one, then it will show in the dot format. See, okay, like that. Whatever format you want, you can convert by using this. But by using cast, you can't convert the different formats. Okay, that is the difference between cast and convert. So మీకు అందరికి అర్థమైందా ఇప్పుడైతే cast and convert, what is the difference between them? Hello.